Guys, I'm feeling a bit chatty today, so I thought I'll make a video. Also, I'll be doing this in English so that my non-Telugu friends as well can see this. In this video, I'll be reviewing 1 to 2 products that I got recently, that is in the last 1 month. The first product is this one. This is Just Herbs pack of Ayurvedic lipsticks. Before I talk about this, I want to tell you that the first time ever that I wore a lipstick was on my wedding, I think engagement. I hired a beautician for the bridal makeup. She applied on the day of my wedding, she applied all kinds of stuff on my face. And once she's done, and when I looked at myself in the mirror, I became really, really anxious. I felt I looked cartoonish. I didn't like myself at all. I became nervous and I asked her to remove the lipstick and all the stuff because I didn't feel it to be, I was not at all comfortable with that look. So this beautician, she is a very nice lady. She calmed me down and she told me that in front of those big lights and in front of all those cameras, I am going to look very normal and very natural. Uh, I'm sorry, I think I deviated a lot, but what I wanted to say is that I have always been unsure to try a lipstick. When I was too young, I thought that lipstick is for sophisticated people, and I thought I was not one of those. And so many other times, I thought that I was too cool to wear a lipstick. I think the real reason is that I have always been so hesitant to try new things with my face. But of late, I've been trying so many things, and when I saw this ad on FB, I thought no matter what, I'm going to try this time, and I just got a pack for myself. There is more than one reason why I thought this product is interesting, because you get 16 lipsticks for 500 rupees, which I thought is a very good deal. Yes, there are 16 lipsticks in this small packet. I'll show you. They look like these, very tiny. I think each one is of 2 centimeters, so you get 16 of them. Okay, think of it this way. Suppose you want to buy a lipstick for the first time. Traditionally, what do? You go to your store, you don't know which one to buy, so you try out a few of them. I think probably you will try the lipsticks on your hand, and finally you pick one or two. You pay the bill of 500 to 1000 rupees, because I think lipstick of decent quality costs you at least that much. You pay the bill, you come home, and when you try the new lipstick on your face, you might not like it at all. It might appear to be a completely different color. That is because in the shop or at the store, there are so many lights, the mirrors are too good, and everything looks great. But in reality, I don't think that is the best way to choose a lipstick. So I think that is where this comes really handy, because you can try different shades on different days in the comfort of your home, and finally you will be able to understand which color suits you better. And from next time, you can purchase just that one color. Having said all that, I definitely think that this is not for pros. That means if you have already been using lipstick for a while, you know which color suits you, you know how to apply, then you can ignore this one. Because I think this is a tester kit. The lipstick lasts for only 1 to 2 hours. It's not smudge proof. Also, the packaging is not very good. For example, if I want to pick brown color, how do I do that? It's not possible for me to pick brown from 16 tiny lipsticks from this small packet. So what do I have to do? I have to pour everything on it. I have to spread out everything on a bed or on a table, and then I have to pick up the shade that I want. So I think it's a very messy thing. So if you are a pro, then this is definitely not for you. I think this is for those people who don't have the habit of wearing a lipstick but who would want to start experimenting. This is good for them. Also, for example, if you have a younger cousin or a teenage niece or someone like that, maybe this will definitely be a good gifting option for those people, because I think they'll be really excited to see so many colors. Also, this claims to be Ayurvedic and all natural. I'm not sure how lipsticks can be Ayurvedic, so I'm not vouching for that statement. But when I tried this, I did not feel any sort of discomfort or irritation. So I think in that way, it is a decent product. Okay, so the second thing that I want to talk about is this white shirt. I hope you can see this. This one I got it from H&M store. It's priced around 900 rupees. And to tell you, for the longest of the times I didn't buy any white clothes because I thought they require high maintenance. You can't easily club them with other clothes, you have to be extremely cautious while eating and cleaning, so I didn't buy them. But what I have realized is that a good white shirt that fits you well is worth all the effort. uh, Now, why I particularly like this shirt is because it's not see-through, it's not transparent, it goes very well with any occasion, be it casual, be it formal, and it's just perfect for any day. Also, I think it's very important for you to be able to find your right fit. That is because, for example, if you take my case, within the same H&M store, I have tried 4 to 5 other shirts, all white, but I didn't like them. I liked only this one. So I think it is very important for you to be patient. You have to be ready. You have to be ready to experiment. You have to go for that trial and error thing before you can find a shirt that suits you well and which is perfect for you. And I think it doesn't matter whether you're 20, 30 or 40 or whatever, a good white shirt, uh, particularly the one which fits you well, is very important and is a wardrobe essential for every person, be it man or woman. The last thing that I want to talk about is this book. It's called Lean In. It's written by Sheryl Sandberg, the CEO of Facebook. Now, I didn't buy this book. It was gifted to me by my friend Gargi. Thank you, Gargi. So in this book, the author, she takes examples from her own life and a few other people to explain why it's important for women to stand by each other, to support each other, be it within the workforce or outside of it. I really like this book. It's a very interesting read. I didn't get bored at any point of time. So if you have not already read this, you should definitely read this. Or if you are planning to gift a book to somebody, then this should be your first choice. Okay, so those are the 3 things that I wanted to talk about today. Thank you so much. Bye bye.